Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make an image watermark transparent using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select here Watermark option and select Add Watermark. This is file type and select your file and click here and open your folder location. Image. Also you can change here and I will add this watermark. And this is watermark transparency. I'll make it 70 and 40 and this watermark transparent. You can also increase degree this watermark transparency and this rotation I'll make it 0 or minus 45. See this and simply select all pages. You can use as background image and simply select OK and see the transparent image watermark now apply all of these pages. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.